This video, I'm going to show you how to build a serverless genai RAG solution to implement a document chat feature using Amazon Bedrock Converse API and Lambda. While Bedrock already provided a chat with your document feature, with the introduction of Converse API, a document block has been added so that user can provide a document for contextual conversation and can ask questions based on the data in this document. Document can be hosted in S3 bucket or can be provided to function at runtime. Use of document block in Amazon Bedrock Converse API can be considered a form of RAG for generative AI since it leverages the data provided in the document to enhance the generation of contextual responses. RAG, which stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation, is becoming increasingly popular in the world of generation AI. It allows organizations to overcome the limitation of LLMs and utilize contextual data for their generative AI solutions. I will use the recently released Anthropic Sonnet Foundation model and invoke it via the Amazon Bedrock Converse using Lambda and API. There are many use cases where generative AI chat with your document function can help increase productivity. Few examples will be technical support, extracting info from user manual for quick resolution of questions from the customers, or HR answering questions based on policy documents, or developer using technical documentation to get info about a specific function, or a call center team addressing inquiries from customers quickly by chatting with product documentation. Let's look at our use case. MyBankGB, a fictitious bank, offers various credit cards to consumers. The document MyBankGB credit card offering.txt contains detailed information about all the features and detail of the credit card offered by the bank. MyBankGB is interested in implementing a generative AI solution using the chat with your document feature of Amazon Bedrock. The solution will enable the call center team to quickly access information about the card features and efficiently address customer inquiries. The solution needs to be API based so that it can be invoked via different applications. Let's look at the architecture. We have a user or a consumer that's invoking a RESTful API using the API gateway. API gateway is invoking the Lambda function, and Lambda function in turn is invoking the Bedrock Converse API. Bedrock Converse API is using a document source hosted in an S3 bucket and using it as an augmented source to provide the response. Underlying foundation model used here is Anthropic Cloud Sonnet. The Lambda function is written in Python Boto 3 and the prompt is being passed by the API gateway. CloudWatch logging, which is an integral part of the AWS logging infrastructure, is being used here by the Lambda function to log the events per the code in the Lambda function. Prereq for this is just familiarity with AWS console, knowledge of Python Boto 3, knowledge of AWS Lambda and Bedrock service, basic familiarity with generative AI foundation model and RAG concepts. Let's get started. We're going to review the Bedrock Converse service. We're going to review the foundation models. We'll review the concept of RAG. We'll review the AWS Bedrock Converse document block and the type supported. We'll request the model access, and then I'm going to create the SAM template to build and deploy the Lambda function. We'll build it locally using AWS SAM, and we'll validate it using the Postman. I'll be creating the Lambda function via infrastructure as code approach using AWS serverless application model and cloud formation. However, you can create the Lambda function using the AWS console as well. SAM is a powerful tool for developer to develop and test Lambda function and API endpoint locally, validating, then deploying to the cloud. If you want to learn about creating and testing Lambda function using AWS SAM, please watch my video on Lambda workshop. Link is in the description for this. Let's look at the Bedrock service. Amazon Bedrock is a fully managed service that offers choice of many foundation models like Anthropic Cloud, AI21 Jurassic 2, Stability AI, Amazon Titan, and others. Since Bedrock is another serverless offering from Amazon, it allows integrating with popular foundation models and also allow to privately customize foundation model with your own data using the AWS tools without having to manage any infrastructure. Here you look at many foundation models offered by Bedrock. Like I stated before, Anthropic, one of my favorite. I use it quite a bit. Amazon Titan, AI21 Labs, Cohere Meta, Mistral AI, Stability AI for image generation. I'll be using Anthropic Sonnet for this workshop. Before we can use a model, we need to request the access if you don't already have the access. And typically for Amazon model, it takes few minutes to get access. For Anthropic Sonnet, it may take few minutes to few hours to get the access. Let's look at the RAG. In the realm of generative AI, Retrieval Augmented Generation, which is referred as RAG, addresses the limitation of large foundation models, which typically provide generic responses based on user prompts. One significant drawback of these models is their tendency to generate outdated or inaccurate information, a phenomenon known as hallucination. Additionally, these models usually lack citation source, leading to response without verification, and many prompt yield answer without acknowledging when a good answer cannot be found. RAG allows enterprise to enhance information retrieval by implementing a knowledge base that houses enterprise document or ingest with vector database. This approach provides more contextual and accurate content retrieval, improving the reliability and relevance of the generated response. Now, with the introduction of chat with your document feature, Bedrock actually simplify this concept by just passing the document. You are not worrying about creating a vector database and so on. You have a document in one of the supported format like the PDF, text, doc, XLS, and that can be used as a supplement or the augmented for the model to provide the response. So let's look at this AWS Bedrock Converse document block and the type supported. The document block includes a document for the message to be passed to the Converse API, and the valid document formats currently are PDF, TXT, doc, docs, XLS, HTML, and MD format. Here is an example of document message. So we have a document message, and we are providing source as the document. Also, there is another example here that shows the Converse API with document message. It's a standard format to invoke the Converse API and using the Bedrock runtime. So we have the model ID, we have the message, which actually is the document message. We have a system prompt, and then we have inference configuration parameters. Next, let's look at our serverless application model template for Lambda and API. So here is our SAM template. Again, like I stated before, you can avoid this step if you just want to take the code and directly use the AWS console to create the Lambda function. I really like the SAM approach, the infrastructure as code approach to create the function and the API endpoints, because I can make changes, I can validate it locally, I can look at the result before I deploy it to the AWS cloud. So it has become one of my favorite methods to create the Lambda function and the API endpoint. So here in this SAM template, my resources here are the API, Converse chat with document API, I'm calling it, and then I have a Lambda function resource here. So I'm defining a function, converse chat with document. I'm using the runtime of Python 3.12. My timeout is 120 seconds here. The default memory size of 128 MB. And then I have like environment variables. I'm using the model ID and inference parameters like max token count, the temperature, the top P, and so on in the parameter. And I have the policy defined for the permissions. Next, let's look at our Lambda function at a high level. So again, here I have a Lambda function, pretty standard. I'm importing the library that are required. I have some logging, try catch block, and so on, some standard practices. My method here generate conversation with document is taking a prompt and a system prompt as the parameter, and I'm creating the inference config using the environment variable value that I'm fetching in the function, and then I'm getting the document from S3 bucket where the document is hosted. I actually can just pass the document at runtime to the Lambda function, but I thought that let's integrate with another Amazon like AWS service, the S3. So I hosted the document in S3 bucket, and I'm pulling it from there and then passing it to the Converse API for as a augmented information to provide the response. I'm going to build this function using AWS SAM. Pretty simple command called SAM build. As long as I have my environment set up, it should build the function. Once build is succeeded, I can invoke it locally. I'm invoking it as an API. And then once it works all good, then I can deploy the function using the SAM deploy command. So next, let's look at the responses that we have received. I have used Postman to validate the API endpoint. And as you can see, my first prompt here, that which card is best for the dining, it is actually using my bank GB credit card offering TXT file to look at the data and then provide me a response that out of many different cards offered by this bank or fictitious bank, which card actually is recommended for the dining. And it's telling me that Dining Delight card is the best card, and then it's giving me some key benefit of this card that the bank provide, along with the annual fee and some other important information. The second prompt here is I'm simply asking list all credit card offered by my bank GB, also include an annual fee for each card. So here again, if you see, it's giving me a list of 5 cards in different category offered by this fictitious bank, and also the annual fee along with like if it is waived for the first year or not. So really like a good use case for the generative AI RAG based solution. And then last prompt here, I'm providing a context. A customer is looking for a travel card with no foreign transaction fee. Suggest the best card for the customer. Also list 3 benefits provided by this card. And as you can see, this time using the document as a source, genai is the response I'm getting that is giving me a credit card, that platinum card has no foreign transaction fee, and then also 3 benefits are listed here. No foreign transaction fee, make purchases abroad without any additional fee. The second is that earn 5 points for every dollar spent on travel related purchases, and then also it has the launch access as a complimentary access. So just like I asked 3 benefits, it has listed 3 benefits here, and I have used Postman to pass prompt to the Bedrock via API Lambda function. Pretty cool. So with this workshop, a serverless genai solution has been successfully completed to implement a chat with your document solution using Amazon Bedrock Converse, Lambda, and API. Python Boto 3 were utilized to invoke the Bedrock API with Anthropic Sonnet. As GenAI solutions keep improving, they will change how we work and bring real benefit to many industries. This workshop shows how powerful AI can be in solving real-world problems and creating new opportunities for innovations. Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. I'm working on some other interesting content on various AWS topics. These will be posted soon. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.